Hi, my name is Jacob Chines. Today is the 23rd of October 2025. Instead of my kitchen with Martin Akasha Gauteng, I just want to have a quick video recording of the new rabbit that I got, Laura. I got her yesterday. I hope she starts to eat. She's a little larger than the other ones, but I'm waiting for her to eat. She has the water. She's just a little bit shy, and happens to the other rabbits when I fill in. Right. Let me go out quickly over here. Yeah. I've heard the video recording of some sound over here in the bushes at night. It was just over there. There's a gate over there. So on when was it, Tuesday? Today's the 23rd, 22nd. On the 21st, there was a criminal over here attempting to steal my driveway lights and cables. Black guy who is a drug addict who hangs over there, out there at the shacks to the north side of the Winternest train station in Okasha, Pretoria, South Africa. He's about a tall guy. He looks like the male actor from the black male actor from the film series called The Matrix. He's that guy who I think in Matrix Revolutions, he has this dreadlock hairs and stuff like this. He looks almost like him, same type of style and attitude and personality. So I think he is now yet again in the bushveld. How does he start to attack me? One, my pet rabbit tail bunny is very sick, as you can see over here. So I was caging him like this in the front yard so they can have grass, air and some workouts. I placed him outside. The super criminal, ultra criminal, came into the bushveld. Now he's preying upon it. Now what the ultra criminal is doing is basically he's working together with another ultra criminal called Stan, basically, or a person may not mention on Facebook. They are like semi-professional medical malpracticing ultra criminals by stealing my R82 Rabbit App standard. So that's basically what they're doing is. So once the rabbit is outside, the criminal stands up and attacks me. So this rabbit is now free. It's not been sound poisoned in the backyard and been killed. I fight for this thing legally. What happens is this ultra criminal comes over here, but you know what? I'm here now hiding in the bushveld. I'm relying upon the infinite immortally beast body of Fat Queen Mary and a light of Mortram to rob you stupid. She is an ultra dumb, fat baby dumb thing. I'm relying upon that to rob you stupid again. And then I go on, I know it's funny stand. Jacob is he's like a Jesus towards me as an ultra criminal, like a Jesus. He made me have this R82 rabbit up standard that I can just walk all of a sudden as a paralyzed drug addict. I'm a paralyzed drug addict. I was struggling to stand up, and then I go to the other guy called Stan, and who does a lot of bestiality crimes and shit. And he doesn't want to be arrested for his bestiality crimes, so he gave me a R82 rabbit up standard, and I believe in everything. Every time he can even rape a dog in front of me, I just believe he does not rape dogs actually. So that's how he does it. So what this ultra criminal is doing basically, he's now preaching back by saying, you should follow the SPCA and listen to everything the SPCA says and other shit. Heroin and crystal makes a person preach about all that. So let me see. Okay, so here's my pet Raid Me. She's still fine. The bunny is out of his cage after a while, doing a couple of exercises. Maybe if he lifts up a little weight, another ultra criminal will come and do the bushveld and try to kill us in the name of a guy that actually has a dog's dick, a dog attached to his dick, saying that this is not actually me. Okay, this is not my dog, but it's attached to me. And that's how ultra criminals are. Then there's ultra criminals from getting high from crystal meth and heroin and yape. You shouldn't preach him further on. Don't be too overconfident on us. we have Superior from all the Nyapi and heroin and all the freedom and shit. They're probably not over here. You see over here, I can't do a good recording of